how's it going?
We're having a major snowstorm here in Minnesota today, which means that for the day I'm going to be hanging out in the bus, hunkered down, cooking food, and resting up for tonight, because when the snow stops, I'm going to be doing snow removal. I'll be out in a plow truck tonight. So yeah, I'm just hanging out for the day, taking it easy, and we'll take you along for the ride. Such a good meal for this cold day. Can't believe I just made this. That's spicy breading too. Thank you, God. Starting to get a good amount of snow. It's probably like an inch or so. And we're supposed to get 6 or 8. Oh yeah, that's where I work, right there. They're gonna be getting the tractors and the plows ready here in a little bit. Let's get inside. It's snowing in my butt. Oh, Larry's getting to work early today. Time to go to work. What up? You too. Christmas presents for the kids. 1,500. Can I bring up to 1,000 for a few seconds? What up? Later. Me in one of the little tractors, but I'm just happy to be in one. We are doing this. First Minnesota snow removal. What up? There's been a change of plan. I'm taking the tractor back, even the tractor going to a plow truck. I'm gonna go plow a couple driveways, and then I got a fuel tank on the back, so I'm gonna go bring fuel to any of the tractors that are running low.